Lisa here from the Peterborough Town Library with another Storytime craft for you. This week we are making a special craft for Hanukkah, a paper plate menorah. Here's what the finished product looks like. So in your craft kit you will get a paper plate cut in half with holes punched, a piece of string, and a piece of paper with 9 candles on it. The menorah has 9 candles because one of them is a special helper candle that you use to light the other candles. So your first step will be to color your candles. You can color them however you want. I did this first one in blue because it's a cheery color. I'm gonna do one in purple, show you guys. And what's nice about this is that you're gonna cut out the candles so you don't have to worry about coloring within the lines. And maybe you wanna make your helper candle look a little special. I'm gonna draw some polka dots on mine. And then don't forget to color in your flames too. It's orange, red, or yellow, or you could have whatever color flames you want. Maybe you make rainbow candle flames. That would be pretty cool. I'm gonna do orange. All right. So after you've colored all your candles, I've done 2 here, you cut them out. First one. Ta-da! And then you can either use some glue or some tape, and you want to tape it to the back of the plate so that you don't see it from the front. Ta-da! And there's my first candle. And so what you can do if you'd like is each day of Hanukkah, color in a candle, add it, and add the flame. Because you light 1 new candle each day of Hanukkah. That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna cut out my flame here. And again, just use another little piece of tape. Just stick it to the top of my candle. Like this. You need a very small piece of tape for this. Mine's a little big, but there you go, you get the idea. And then you can tie your string to it so you can hang it up on the wall or the refrigerator, somewhere where you will see it for the whole 8 days of Hanukkah. And we hope you join us for story time. We're doing a special story time with Hanukkah stories, and then the next week we'll have another special story time craft, so tune in for that too. And we hope to see you all soon at the library. Bye everybody. Happy Hanukkah.